Chinese researchers find a rare moon crystal that could power the planet. Scientists are encouraged by the discovery of a rare lunar crystal on the moon's near side, which could one day supply the entire globe with endless energy. So stay tuned until the very end to learn everything there is to know. We're happy to see you back at our channel. We'll talk about how this moon crystal could power the planet for 45,000 years in this video. So let's get started now. The lunar crystal is composed of a substance that was previously unknown to science and as a crucial component for nuclear fusion, a method of producing energy that uses the same forces that power the sun and other stars in the galaxy. The crystal, which was discovered in lunar basalt particles recovered from the moon in 2020, makes China the third country after the US and the former Soviet Union to find a new lunar mineral. The first lunar sample return mission since the 1970s was the Chinese moon mission, which touched down in Oceanus Procellarum in December 2020. The collection and secure delivery of more than 1.7 kilograms of lunar samples to Earth. The phosphate mineral Changxite Y was given this name by the Beijing Research Institute of Uranium Geology in honor of Chang'e, the lunar goddess in Chinese mythology. The translucent crystal is about the width of a human hair. Around 1.2 billion years ago, it developed in an area of the moon that experienced volcanic activity. Helium-3, one of the main components of this crystal, may serve as a reliable fuel source for nuclear fusion reactors, according to scientists. On Earth, the element is exceedingly rare, but it appears to be fairly common on the moon. The Chang'e 6 mission, which is anticipated to launch in 2024, will seek to gather the first samples from the moon's far side, which is never visible to Earth. Even though it is yet too early for experts to predict the cost of such a fuel source, it'll surely be quite expensive. Of course, there's the issue of returning lunar crystals, particularly given the huge quantities required to power fusion reactors. Helium-3 has long piqued the interests of scientists as a potential source of nuclear fusion fuel. Natural nuclear fusion reactions take place when two light atoms combine into one heavier atom under conditions of intense heat and pressure. They take place inside stars, but as of yet, no powerful enough fusion reactor has been built by humans to ignite the process. According to the European Space Agency, Helium-3 is especially promising because it generates substantially less radiation and radioactive waste than other elements. The current nuclear fission process used in nuclear power plants produces radioactivity in addition to electricity, necessitating the reprocessing of spent nuclear fuel into uranium, plutonium, and other waste. Since the process has caused significant safety issues, researchers have been working to find a technique to produce nuclear energy through nuclear fusion rather than fission. Since no radioactive waste is created during the fusion process, it might be a safer and more effective fuel source. The US could be powered for a year with about 25 metric tons of helium-3, which is the same as the fully loaded cargo bay of a space shuttle. This implies that helium-3 has an estimated potential economic value of $3 billion per ton. This most recent discovery might launch a competition between numerous commercial enterprises and nations with space agencies that have indicated their ambitions to mine the moon for helium-3. What do you think about this? To post a comment, please do so in the area below. To ensure you don't miss any of our upcoming videos, ring the bell and join our channel. In the next video, we'll see you.